Congenital heart diseases part 2. In part 1 we have seen definition of congenital heart diseases and causes and detail about acyanotic heart diseases. Cyanotic heart diseases. So common cyanotic heart diseases are tetralogy of Fallot, transposition of great arteries, tricuspid atresia, hypoplastic left heart syndrome. Tetralogy of Fallot. So tetra means 4. So it is a congenital heart defect which has 4 anatomical abnormalities. 4 defects are pulmonary stenosis, overriding aorta, ventricular septal defect and right ventricular hypertrophy. This is the picture of tetralogy of Fallot. Pulmonary stenosis, overriding aorta, ventricular septal defect and right ventricular hypertrophy. I mean enlargement of right ventricle. Signs and symptoms: low blood oxygen saturation causes cyanosis, heart murmur, difficulty in feeding, failure to weight gain, retarded growth and development, dyspnea, and clubbing of finger and toes, and polycythemia and increased RBC. Diagnosis: chest X-ray shows the abnormal, boot-like appearance of the heart, and ECG and echocardiogram. Management: place the child in squatting position or knee chest position. This increases the aortic wave reflection and increasing the pressure on the left side of the heart and decreasing the right to left shunt. Medical management: beta blockers, morphine, vasopressor such as epinephrine, and oxygen 100%. Surgical procedures: palliative surgery, just closing the shunt. The procedure is called Blalock-Thomas dissections. The total surgical repair of 4 defects. Transposition of great arteries. It is a serious but rare condition in which the two main arteries, the pulmonary artery and aorta, are reversed. The aorta is present at right ventricle and pulmonary artery is present at left ventricle. This is the picture of transposition of great arteries. See, the aorta is arising from right ventricle and pulmonary artery is arising from left ventricle. Clinical manifestation: cyanotic, growth failure, abnormal heart sounds, and cardiomegaly. Management: medical management, prostaglandin E1 and cardiac glycosides like digoxin, diuretics like Lasix. Surgical treatment, corrective procedures, that is called Ross relief procedures. Tricuspid atresia. Tricuspid valve is present between right atrium and right ventricle, which convey the blood from atrium to ventricle. Tricuspid atresia is a condition that complete narrowing of tricuspid valve. This is a picture of narrowing of tricuspid valve, which is present between the right atrium and the right ventricle. Clinical manifestation: cyanosis, poor feeding, tachypnea, holysystolic murmur, left ventricle hypertrophy. Treatment: prostaglandins to maintain PDA, modified Blalock-Tacing shunt to maintain pulmonary blood flow, cavopulmonary anastomosis to provide stable pulmonary flow, Fontan procedures to redirect in IVC and hepatic vein flow into the pulmonary circulation. Hypoplastic left heart syndrome. It is a condition that left side of the heart does not form properly. The left ventricle and mitral valve, aortic valve is not formed or it is very small. This is the comparative picture of normal heart and hypoplastic left heart syndrome. So there is an underdevelopment of left side of the heart. Signs and symptoms: cyanosis, heart failure, and decreased cardiac output. Treatment: multiple stage approach surgery, that is called a Norwood procedure. In Norwood procedure, there is anastomosis of main pulmonary artery to the aorta, and if it is severe, heart transplantation. Nursing intervention for the child with congenital cardiac diseases: provide adequate nutritional and fluid intake, provide the feed in semi-erect positions and small frequent feeding and high nutritional value, strict IO chart and weight. So child is very prone to infections, so to avoid infections, prevent the exposure to communicable diseases, and immunization as per the age, and proper hand washing. So child is impaired heart function, so we should reduce the workload of the heart by adequate rest and avoid unnecessary activities and prevent excessive crying and provide diversional activities and relieve the respiratory distress. Nursing diagnosis: impaired gas exchanges related to altered pulmonary blood flow and altered cardiac output, activity intolerance, and altered nutrition less than body requirements. Nursing diagnosis: increased potential for infection related to poor nutritional status, anxiety, developmental delay related to decreased energy, and alteration in parenting related to parental perception of child as vulnerable. I hope this video gives little bit knowledge regarding congenital heart diseases and its management. Thank you.